Welcome to NumCipherFinance channel, where you learn mental metrics for smart investing. In today's video, we will use one of the 100 plus techniques from the Investor's Quick Math Guidebook to solve a real world investing problem in seconds without a calculator. Let's dive in. So you have two portfolios, right? Portfolio A and which says went from 10 lakhs to 13.5 lakhs, and portfolio B of friend which went from 25 lakhs to 31 lakhs. Now who did better? So this kind of situation comes up all the time for real investors. Let me walk through it by step to really understand who did it better. Right, so we are going to use a concept of percentage gain here. So what's the formula we are going to use is percentage gain, which is nothing but change or gain divided by original value into 100. So this is the formula for percentage gain. So let's apply this formula. A, portfolio A, what's the gain, right? So percentage gain is the gain, the change, which is 13.5 minus 10, and the original is 10. So the gain is 3.5 by 10 into 100. So A percentage gain is 35%. Right? Now apply the same thing for B. So percentage gain is change, which is 31 minus 25 by 25 into 100. So 31 by 25 minus 25 is 6 by 25 into 100. So this is 24%. So B percentage gain is 24%. So who did better? So the answer is A, which is you. You did better. Right? A did better because you have earned 35% versus 24% of your friend's earnings. Right? So you win despite your smaller earning of 3.5 lakhs compared to your friend earning of 6 lakhs. Right? So this is the way you compare two portfolios. Always calculate percentage gain instead of looking at the raw gain, which could be misleading. Right? So what are the common mistakes? What is a common mistake people make? Right? The common mistake people make is comparing absolute rupee gain, which is like 3.5 lakhs versus 6 lakhs in the above scenario, right? 3.5 here and 6, which is incorrect. So always use percentages. So that is the mistake you should avoid. Right? So what is the key takeaway now? Takeaway, right? So this is interesting, right? So what is the key takeaway? Percentages are the universal language of investing. So anything you want to compare them in percentages. So that is the universal language of investing. Never compare the actual absolute returns, because that could be misleading. Before you go, if this video helped you think faster about money, I have something that will take it even further. I have written a book, The Investor Quick Math Guide, a pocket book packed with 100 plus mental math shortcuts, especially for investors. No calculator needed, just pure fast thinking. And if you prefer learning on screen, I have got full video course on Udemy and YouTube and other channels, step by step with real examples, covering everything from the rule of 72, CAGR, SIP calculation, and lot more. The goal is simple: stronger math, stronger portfolio, stronger you. All the links for the books and the videos are available in the description below. If you found this useful, hit subscribe button so that you never miss a shortcut again. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.